The following footage has been taken from my heygo.com/MissKendalJames tours. This video is from a series of surprise tours. These are usually created at the last minute, which often means that they had intimate groups of 8 to 35 viewers watching live. It also means that I'm usually in the moment or on holiday and just felt that a unique moment should be shared. Please enjoy. Follow me on Heygo and click the link in the description to join me on these kinds of tours live.
I'm so excited! How cool is this, guys? Right, bear with me. My boyfriend's just said, come over here. Wow, it's a bit dizzying being up on this bridge. It's amazing. Again, I don't have my mic on because I just wanted to be able to quickly give you these tours. Golden hour is happening. You can see it in my hair. And these waterfalls are created because of volcanic eruptions. How cool is that? How cool is that? Look at this view. So beautiful. Hi Ginny, thanks for popping in. Nice to see you in your morning. There's a painting. There's a painting. Let me guys just show you behind the mountains and the incredible waterfalls created by volcanic eruptions. So cool! Well, sorry guys. Just trying to look for something. Welcome, thanks for coming in. Hello everybody, the tour has officially started. Okay, my name's MissKendalJames. I'm in Hokkaido right now. I'm in Furano area, Furano prefecture. And yeah, a long way from home. I got a flight here to the northernmost island. I'm with my boyfriend and we're on a road trip. And we've just seen some amazing like volcanic activity. But now, here he is, the guy himself. Thank you very much for driving us. So let's just... He's a little bit scared of heights, so he's doing this really cute thing where he gets to the edge and then backs up, pretty scared. But it's golden hour, it's happening, so we've got some lovely views. Sorry for swinging the camera around a little bit just then. I was just really excitedly telling my other friends to try and join in using my other phone. Luckily, I'm not scared of heights. But he is very scared watching me right now. Yes, Jess, it is. What a cool place. Sorry for moving the camera around. I'm getting a bit too excited here. 1 second. I'll try and slow it down. So here we are on this bridge, and we are looking at I think it's one or two waterfalls that is caused by volcanic eruptions, and they look wonderful. But bless him, he's not doing too well. Thank you very much for joining me. This is super last minute. This one wasn't planned. Yeah, very quick. It's very quick. There's another little one just up in the top corner there. He's not very sure. Looking a little bit scared. Staying a safe 1 meter back. It's funny. I really love heights, so it's no problem for me. Isn't it lovely? I've got my gimbal attached to my wrist so I don't drop it because I'm leaning right over the edge here. Isn't it wonderful? So good. So it's just a 15-minute tour. I changed the time to make it only 15 minutes. And it's a super, super surprise tour. Let me get the lighting good there. Like a picture. Yeah, it's a holiday. I just brought my gimbal with me for the holiday. But we are still in Japan. I'm still in Japan. So there's a little bit of information over here. Let me go and get you guys a photograph of the information. And you can see where we are. And then I'll go back to the waterfall and I'll get you some pictures of some different angles. And also, let's go for a long shot, okay? So I'm just going to flip the phone into portrait mode. 3, 2, 1. Postcard, fingers ready. And I'm going to go back. So 3, 2, 1. Sorry, that just allows some people to get full shots of some of the area. I think I thought I could see a rainbow. Is that a rainbow growing? I don't know. No, I think it's the sunshine on the mountains. So that one in the middle, I think, is the one that's active. Let's go find a bit of information, and then I'll come back to here. I'll get you guys a picture. Thank you very much for coming. I just thought I'd get them a picture of the information over here. So, Ginny, yes, it is a holiday. We sort of have been actively planning what we'll do on this holiday at the same time as, I can be a bit more quiet now, at the same time as basically we're on a road trip. We've got one hotel we had in Sapporo and one we had in, one we've got tonight in Furano. I've been to Sapporo once before. It's my first time in Furano. The sun is about to go down. There's some ladies just looking at the information, but as soon as they're gone, I'll get you guys the information too. I don't want to force them away though. But these waterfalls were created by volcanic eruptions. Okay, I accidentally did just force them away. Sorry, I feel bad. Here we go. Yeah, I am quite lucky. So I had to fly from Osaka to Hokkaido. Although I can't really leave the country and expect to come back. So, I'm trapped in Japan, but at least it's wonderful. Shirahige no Taki Falls is formed by water gushing out from the boundary of two rock layers. The lower rock body is a layer of gravel and sand accumulated from ancient mud flows. The upper layers of rock are left by lava flows. Shirahige no Taki Falls has water spewing from the seams of the rock strata, showing the volcanic history of the Tokachidake Mountains. Toraka? Oh my goodness. Tokachidake Mountain. That is what we are looking at over here. If it was written in Japanese, not kanji, but if it was written in the basic Japanese, I could have read it more easily. But sometimes when Japanese is written in English, it is a bit confusing to read. Even for Japanese people, I've noticed. Do not pick any flowers. Beware of bears. Do not take home any soil or rocks. Do not catch any animals. And Japanese people love catching insects and things, especially children. Love catching them. Not children are insects. Hi. Steph, I'll just get you this little view here. We're just going to take another look, but here we go. Shirahige no Taki Falls. If you see me advertise a Shirahige that I will be doing a tour of, it's actually back in Moriyama, back in Shiga, near where I live. So let's take another look at the waterfall. You can hear it. You can see it. And the signal is perfect here. I don't know why. Tochidake, the mountain. I'm so glad. I'm sorry it wasn't working before, Steph. I'll go and walk to the other side as well, guys, okay? I'll do one more portrait shot here. So 3, 2, 1. Then you can get the mountains and the waterfall in your postcards at the same time. And 3, 2, 1. Let me lean over the edge for you. Come with me. So I hope this has given you guys some faith that me and my boyfriend are all right at picking surprise locations. Please hit the notifications bell on this tour listing so that you get maybe one more later tonight in this lovely place that we're going to. And then a few more tomorrow as we go to a national park. If you live in the UK or on a European time zone, I'm sorry, we might not be able to help you tomorrow because we are getting the plane at 8 p.m. So maybe we can. But yeah, join us. Here's some of the other wonderful places that were on my surprise tours today and yesterday. Please marvel at those. And yesterday And yesterday we saw the largest source of hot spring water in the whole of Japan. That's that last picture just there. I hope that doesn't fill up your screens too much. I think Heygo's changed it so it doesn't use up the screen too much. And let me just show you, I think I've got half of my friends in the UK on here, which is lovely. Thanks for being here. But check me out on LinkedIn at linktr.ee/MissKendalJames, Linktree. And you can see my website with my first art exhibition in Japan. You can follow me on Instagram. And whenever I get time, I do update my life in Japan. The sun is going down beautifully right now. I'm just going to walk over here and get you guys a different shot. Yeah, thank you very much, Lisa. I'm going to keep the surprise tours listing open just in general, just in case I ever come across somewhere lovely and I happen to be able to give you guys a tour. Wow, 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 wow. We've got a really good view coming up. Right. Just trust me. I'll try and not be too excited myself. I'll try and calm down myself. Calm down, Kendall. Why is the signal so good here? I don't know. Look at this. So this waterfall is formed because of volcanic activity. I try not to interrupt my tours or have my tours in between other people's tours, but I couldn't resist showing you guys this. My pleasure. Nice to see you awake at a more humane time, Ginny. I know you have difficulty sleeping. Me too. I'm so glad I did. My boyfriend's wondering where I am. I think somehow in all his fear of heights, he lost track of the fact that I'm exactly where I was before. So just a couple more minutes here. Well, another minute and a half. Let me show you the mountains. So please leave a review if you can. It really, really, really helps me. It makes me feel good, but the biggest thing, most important thing it does is it encourages other people to come to my tours. And for any guides, and especially if you don't feel like you can afford the time or money to leave a tip, but maybe you got a little bit of time to just say thank you and leave a 5-star or something, that really, really, really helps. You can leave 4 stars if you like, but I hope you think there's at least 5s. Okay, just in case. I think everyone's been here for the whole time. Just in case some new people have just come in, I'll just show off the main part of the waterfall one more time. Just a 15-minute tour here. Yeah, it does only take minutes. If you go to heygo.com, click on My Trips in the top right-hand corner, and then you can review and tip whenever you like, even for tours that you haven't been on for many months, like you went on a long time ago. And let's just throw you over the edge one more time. Okay, ready? You guys coming? I'm holding my belly right over the edge. The gimbal's attached to my hand. Yeah, that might be why he disappeared. Now he's wondering where I am. And I'll just get you one more shot over here. Thank you so much, everybody. It's the sun going down very dramatically there. A bird flies across the sky. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little dot. Thank you so much. That was me. Bye. It was all the way over. See you guys. Thank you, everybody.